Hi there. This is yours truly, once again, from Smitty's Digital Workshop, me and my cat. He's not with me right now. He's laying on my bed, sleeping. He played all night long. Okay, now, our illustrious president wants to reopen Alcatraz. I don't know. I don't know why. And some of you people also know who Peterson is, which he was interfering in the voting processes here in Colorado. Now he also wants to let her go, pardon her. Nah, I don't think so. Anyway, I told you guys this can happen. Everybody in the world that done wrong is going to get pardoned. But apparently you didn't believe me. Now, just like Oliver said to Stanley, this is another fine mess you got me into. This is Smitty's Digital Workshop, and that's the end of this tune. Like and subscribe. See you in a bit.